Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. I am also fine. You know that the world is going on the pandemic situation for COVID-19, and you all are staying at home. All the schools and institutions are closed. So, Bangladesh government has taken steps to ensure online classes through সংসদ Bangladesh television, and you all are most welcome to this channel. As well, our school has also taken initiative to make some online classes. Okay, the students of class 9 and 10, today we are going to deal with the English first paper. Now let us take a look at the slide. I am Shamsuzzaman Sarkar, assistant teacher, Mohinpur Karamtola High School, Mitapukur, Rampur. Look at this picture. Do you know this picture? Some of you may have known that it is a Statue of Liberty. Where is it? Right, it is in America. It is a World Heritage. This statue is a World Heritage. People of the world go there to see this beauty. This is a beauty made by man. You know that there are many heritages in the world. Some are made by God and some are man-made. Then do you know this picture? What is this? This will be a mosque. Okay? And where is it? It is in Bangladesh. And it is Shat Gambuz Mosque. Okay? Then today, can you guess what is our topic today? Today our topic is Shat Gambuz Mosque. It is Unit 8. Lesson 1. The Shat Gambuz Mosque. Okay, this is our today's topic. It is also a World Heritage. The UNESCO has declared this sculpture as a World Heritage. These are the learning outcomes. From reading of this lesson, you will be able to ask and answer questions, understand through silent reading, describe a place, and you will know some new words also. Before going to the text, we shall learn some keywords or new words. The words will increase your vocabulary. The first word is unique. Do you know the meaning of unique? Yes, some of you may know that unique means exclusive or exceptional or distinctive. exclusive, exceptional or distinctive. Here is sentence also, how can you make use of this word? That is, Shadgambuz Mosque is a unique word heritage. The second word is outskirts. Outskirts. It means outside, through the border, borders or outer edge. Puril is the outskirt of Dhaka city. This means that Puril flyover is outside Dhaka city, around Dhaka city. The third word is mangrove. You know that we have a mangrove forest. Which one? That is the Sundarbans. Then the word mangrove means some tree. It is a kind of tree that have roots upwards. You know that trees of roots go downwards the soil, but the mangrove trees have roots upward of the soil, and the roots through the roots the trees take breaths, so they are called mangrove trees. The fourth word is infrastructure. You know that if you want to make a building, build a building, then you should make a infrastructure first. Then you can make the building. That is called infrastructure or frame or setup or structure or substructure. The infrastructure of this house is very strong. This is the use of the word. The next word is baked brick. Bricks are necessary to make a building, and there are many kinds of bricks. Some are baked. These are baked bricks. Hard, burnt or strong brick. And the Shadgambuz Mosque was built with this baked brick. The next word is reservoir. Reservoir means tank or pond where water can be stored. Tank, pool, lake or pond. Next word is slender. Slender means slim or handsome or trim. The building is made with slender stone columns. The next new word you can find here is arches. Arches means curve or semicircle. These structures are called arches. Curve, semicircle. Hollow. The next word is hollow. Hollow means empty space inside. There is some empty space inside the building that are called hollow. The interior part has a big hollow. Next one is aisle. Do you know the word? Of course, some of you may know that aisle means the narrow space between two racks or two shops or two rooms. That is called aisle. Narrow way. Okay? There are different aisles, many aisles in this market. This is the use of the word. Then the last word is remarkable. The word remarkable means extraordinary, amazing, notable. That is then more beautiful. That is called remarkable. The scenery is really remarkable. Then these are the words. The words will help you to increase your vocabulary and to read the text and understand the text well. Okay, now you can see a map of Bangladesh and Bagherhat. Bagherhat is in the southern side of Bangladesh, and Bagherhat is a district, you know, and it is famous for some different sculptures. That is Shat Gambuz Mosque. The Shat Gambuz Mosque, our today's topic. This mosque is staying at Bagherhat. This is the picture of this mosque, and there are many domes here. These are called domes. Some domes are high and some domes are low. High and low domes here. There are 77 low domes. These are, if you count these domes, there will be 77 in number. And these are the high domes. There are 4 high domes, larger domes, in 4 corners of the mosque. And even arch doorways. These are the doorways on the east. And they are shown on the picture. And this is the south part of the mosque, and this is the east part of the mosque. There are 7 arch doors in both south and north. This is the inside of the mosque, and this is the terracotta and beautiful structure here. The interior western wall of the mosque is beautifully decorated with terracotta. Terracotta means a kind of structure that are made by the brick makers or the local or ancient brick builders. And now you have books in front of you. Then open page number 110 and read the text carefully. And this is the second part of the text. I hope that you have read the text carefully before coming to the class. And if you have finished your class reading, then you may fill in the gaps of the table here. Okay, now here is the homework for you. In your area, you may find some special buildings or ancient monuments or buildings in your area. That may be a mosque or any kind of zamindar house or very old temples, etc. in your locality, and your homework will be that you will write 10 sentences on this building and look at the picture of a mosque, write a description of the mosque with the help of the given clues. There are some clues in your textbook. The clues you will use from the textbook page number 111. There are some clues there, and you will use the clues and write a paragraph on the monument or whatever you find in your area. Okay, and you will show the paragraph to your class teacher after opening your school. Until then, thank you very much for staying with me with the online class, and keep safe, stay at home, and maintain all the health, all the rules of health. Now, what you are instructed by the government or by the television, that wash your hands carefully for 22 seconds or above, then wear masks when you are outside of your home, keep distance of from one another about 1 to 3 feet, 3 feet, and try to be cautious about your own health and avoid risk of germinating COVID-19. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much.